Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is a quick video. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the problem statement. You can see that problem statement. Suppose, let's say you have a list of items and your job is to convert all these items into uppercase and store them into a new list, right? That is your job. That is something you have to do. Now, most of the cases people does, they are simply, let's say I have this list and I can initialize another list, right? After that, what you are going to do, you are going to use the for loop and add all the item one by one, right? Instead of that, we can, what we can do, we can use JavaScript. You can use, let's say this is my list, and in this, on this list, what I can call dot stream, and on that stream I can call dot map method. This is the map method, and for each and every item I want to perform two uppercase, right? So directly I can say string. So this is a string operation that I want to go, so I can say string and then double colon. I can call that two uppercase. This is the method, right? Once I am done with the map, it is going to convert all the items to uppercase, and I have to just saying convert it to list, right? So I can say to list. So it will be stored all these items. It will be converting to uppercase. It will convert to list finally, and I'm going to store into list two. Now, when I'm going to print the item list one, which is I have converted from the for loop by using for loop, and another one I'm printing here, that is I created by using stream and map, right? So if I run this code now, you can see how the output is going to be exactly same. There is no difference. I'm running the code now. Now you can observe the output here. I am not getting any difference, right? Between these two outputs, there is no difference, isn't it? So now here you can understand how my code is looks like more clean and neat and clean, right? Instead of writing for loop at all the items one by one, we can create simply, we can use stream.map function, and it is going to add all the items into a single list. I do not have to write multiple lines of code. For loop is block, right? All these things we are going to get rid of. That is the beauty of stream function. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining this video.